Hello, my name is Wayne Quirk, and I'm here to introduce a series of videos I'm rolling out entitled Real Estate with Wayne Quirk. They're going to come out under 4 distinct headings. The first heading is investment real estate. I'm passionate about investment real estate. I developed a course called The Money Machine, and this series will tell you exactly how to get started, how to build an investment portfolio, and how to retire with more money coming in monthly than you ever had when you were working for a living. You don't want to miss that. The second series is first-time buyers, helping young people get into that first house step by step, showing them the process right from the dream to getting the keys. You want to watch that if you've never owned a house, and even if you have, if it's been a while since you've had one, it's well worth your while to go through that process. Third one is tips and techniques for realtors. I've been rolling out videos for years now, advising my agents and agents on the board about the things they're going to run across in a career in real estate, things under the Real Estate and Business Brokers Act, FinTrack, and a whole host of other things. If you're practicing real estate, if you're in real estate, you'll want to watch that series. And finally, the last one is faith-based real estate. I believe that there's a treasure trove of information for you in Scripture. I know people say you shouldn't get involved in politics, you shouldn't get involved in religion, but these are topics that will help shape you and help you be great, help you be everything that you want to be. They've helped me over the years, and I know they'll help you. So put aside the bias, watch that series, watch all the series. I'm going to begin with the Money Machine and Investment series, and take the time to watch it. If you enjoy it, you want to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. You want to share them with your friends, and take time to contact us. I'm always glad to hear from you, help out in any way I can. I look forward to hearing from you, and look forward to talking to you very shortly on these videos.